this video, I'm going to be talking about the verb estar and location vocabulary. So one issue that comes up for English speakers is in English, we only have one way to say I am or he or she is, but in Spanish, there's two ways. So ser and estar both translate as to be. So if you look at their conjugations, soy and estoy both mean I am. Ella es and está both mean she is. So this brings up the problem / question, how do you know when to use ser or when to use estar? This is a poem I love to tell my students. For how you feel and where you are, you always use the verb estar. So in this unit or in this video, we're going to be looking at the uses of estar. And to keep it simplified, think about using estar for talking about where things are located and emotions or feelings or conditions that change. So first, let's take a look at the conjugation. Estar is an irregular verb because it doesn't follow the regular AR conjugation chart. If you look over here at the regular verb, bailar, we've learned o, as, a, an. But for the verb estar, the yo form is estoy, tú estás, él está, ellos están. So notice it also has an accent. The verb or the form of nosotros, estamos, isn't on the list because that actually does follow this chart. It's just estamos with no accent. Let's take a look at it again. So estoy, estás, está, estamos, están. So like I was saying, it's irregular here with the Y, it has an accent in all the other forms except nosotros. Here's some examples of estar in español. So again, for how you feel and where you are, you always use the verb estar. So here, happy, they say yo estoy feliz. For sick, tú estás enfermo. For good, él está bien. So all these deal with emotions or conditions. Down here, nosotros estamos dentro de la casa. ¿Dónde estáis vosotros? Ellos están jugando. So in this one, we have location and location. And this one you could ignore for now. We don't get into it in Spanish 1, but this is another use of estar. All right, so some key vocab in your lesson is asking the question, ¿Dónde está?, which means where is, and then we're learning these 5 location words, debajo, underneath, encima, which is on top, al lado, next to, detrás, behind, and delante. So we're going to look at a few different images of Waldo and Grumpy Cat, and I'm going to ask you, ¿Dónde está Waldo? So take a second to jot down these words if you don't know them yet. So we have below, on top of, next to, behind, in front of. And I want you in a complete Spanish sentence out loud to answer ¿Dónde está Waldo? Let's take a look. ¿Dónde está Waldo? Did you try it? All right. Waldo está encima de Grumpy Cat. I also wrote one for Grumpy Cat. Grumpy Cat está debajo, underneath, de Waldo. I also did an example of the emotions. So Grumpy Cat está enojado, which means mad. Waldo está contento, which means happy. Let's try another. Answer the question, ¿Dónde está Waldo? All right, let's see how you did. Waldo está al lado de Grumpy Cat. Grumpy Cat está al lado de Waldo. All right, let's try one more. ¿Dónde está Waldo? A little hint, he's supposed to be behind Grumpy Cat. So how do you say that? Waldo is behind Grumpy Cat. See if you got it. Waldo está detrás de Grumpy Cat. Grumpy Cat está delante de, in front of, Waldo. Waldo está contento. Grumpy Cat está enojado. All right, so before I end the video, I have a little song that will just help you hear and see the verb estar again, since the goal is to master the conjugations. So go ahead and watch.
I am estoy, you are estás, he is estar, she is estar, we are estamos, you all are estáis, they are están, they are están. I am estoy, you are estás, he is estar, she is estar, we are estamos, you all are estáis, they are están, they are están. Estoy, estás, está, está, estamos, estáis, están. Estoy, estás, está, está, estamos, estáis, están. Estoy, estás, está, está, estamos, estáis, están. I am estoy, you are estás, he is estar, she is estar, we are estamos, you all are estáis, they are están, they are están. Estoy, estás, está, está, estamos, estáis, están. Estoy, estás, está, está, estamos, estáis, están. Estoy, estás, está, está, estamos, estáis, están.
So that sums up the verb estar. Thank you so much for watching, and as usual, if you have questions, need help, want some extra support, just send me a chat message or an email, and I am here to help you. Have a great day.